YouTube, what is up? Early morning Thursday. I actually really like the early mornings. It's so much cooler. But got a few projects, things I'm going to work on. Got back from Vegas to Reno on late Saturday, or I guess I got back. Then we just drove so much. I think for 36 hours we were driving 25 hours of a 36-hour period. It was a lot of driving. But yeah, it was cool. I'll update you guys on that. I'm waiting for my cameras. We finished. There's a little bit of drama. But yeah, as soon as I get my cameras back, they got separated from me. So hopefully I get those back soon, and I will update you on the Vegas to Reno race. But I thought I'd go over some of the project stuff we're doing. So the XRC, I need to work on. I've got a couple things I want to work on the next couple weeks. I've got, I want to get my rock blocks set up on it. Just haven't had time. I also, the guys from Vivid Racing sent me a tune, which is pretty rad. So, you know, this thing was feeling pretty slow. So I thought we'd turn it up. So that'll be cool. So we're going to work on that probably today or tomorrow, and then I'm going to be taking, and then I think I'm going to do the full suspension too. I'll be racing this weekend with the Polaris. There she is. Still love the Polaris. Everybody keeps asking about the Polaris. She's still my primary race rig, and I love the Turbo S. It's been such a good machine. But yeah, I think me and Matt are going to go out and test this thing on the whoops and get a real good feel for what we want to do for the suspension. The settings definitely helped a lot, but I want to do like the full basic race tune on the suspension, so I'm super excited about that. So we got a tune, flaps, and a chip on the Can-Am, which I'm stoked about. On the Polaris, got my Tesla truck. I love using the Tesla as like the runaround car. It's so nice. But the rebound on the rear wheels were coming down like a little bit too fast, so it was being a little pogo-y in the rear. Not bad, but we're just kind of fine-tuning it. So I had the rebound adjusted on the shocks, cleaned them up, changed the seal. So got to throw those back on. Go over, do some maintenance stuff on this guy. I was looking at the brakes, and they are done. So I check them like every time, but yeah, there's nothing left. So new brakes, most likely front and rear. I got the shocks done. I got to go over, do full nut and bolt on everything, change all the fluids. Yeah, axles are good, man. I love those Super ATV axles. Have been legit, honestly. They've been awesome. Oh yeah, that's the other thing. I've got a new heavy-duty tie rod kit. I feel like I've got an inner tie rod on the steering that's starting to go out on this side, and it's making it kind of wobbly. So I've got a new tie rod setup that I'm going to get on it. But nothing crazy. I'm also getting a lot these bolts. So these bolts right here on your A-arms, they keep coming loose on me. And I was taking a look at the nylocks, and I think I've taken them off too much. So the nylocks not doing what it should. So I don't have time to get new nuts, I don't think, this week. I might go check Polaris. Maybe Polaris has them in stock. I'll go look, but if I can find new nuts with the new nylock, I'm going to put them on. Otherwise, I'm just going to Loctite the crap out of it. But it just seems like after I ride for a bit, these bolts are coming loose, and then I'm getting movement in my A-arms, which is definitely not good. So I'm going to work on that. But man, all in all, I'm stoked on the old Turbo S. I'm excited to get back in there for the race. It'll be fun. It's going to be cool. I got a bunch of friends that should be racing out there with me, so be pretty sweet. So yeah, that's the quick update. Yeah, I'm excited on this one too. I think I'm going to take this guy to Lake Powell next week and do some crazy ride in some washes. So I'm pretty excited about that too. Actually, I'm gonna take both of them. I'm gonna take both of them to Lake Powell. So that'll be cool. Yeah, what else? So yeah, excited. We'll get the tune. Hopefully I'll start the video on that, get that done in the garage, and then we'll get out and rip in the desert. And I'm pretty excited. It's gonna get rid of the top speed limiter, which will be cool. And yeah, I'm gonna get the full tune up on this bad boy and get it ready to rip. So, all right, guys, little garage work to do today, but just thought I'd update you. And I will get the video from Vegas to Reno. We'll make a cool video, get you guys updated on that too. It was a crazy race, man. It was hot and it was pretty long. I think it took us like 13 hours or something. But I'm proud of the guys. I think they did a really good job on it. Honestly, we had a few problems, but really, just got to keep fine tuning, man. Racing is, especially long desert racing, it's tough. It's tough, man. It's not, I think a finish for me is still a win. I know everybody wants to, you know, they want to place and top 10, but man, if you can finish a 500-mile race, I think you should be pretty proud of yourself. So, and the car. So, but okay, guys, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.